The teacher plays a soft song. The student listen quietly. Go.
This music is beautiful.
Yes, it makes me feel happy.
It sounds so nice. We are doing appreciative listening. We listen to enjoy the music.
Yes, we just enjoy it.
During lunch break at school, Lorime looks sad. Aldous noticed her. Okay.
Hi, Narumi. Why are you sad?
I failed my math quiz. I studied hard but I still failed.
Oh, I'm sorry. That must be really sad.
Yes, I feel disappointed with myself.
Don't worry. I know you tried your best.
Thank you, Aldous. That makes me feel bitter.
In English class, teacher is talking. The students listen carefully.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, um, for today's, for today, let's quiz. Write 5 sentences about your family.
What did teacher say? Yes, that is all activity. Okay, I understand now. Thank you. Guys, let's buy soft drinks.
Soft drinks are not healthy.
Juice is healthier. Okay, let's buy juice.